My name is Jun. So I'm co-founder of Osteo Tuina.
I am Yoo-hoon. Actually, I go by English name Steve, and I am a registered acupuncturist in Toronto right now. So I do acupuncture and also massage as well. That massage here is referring to Tuina technique.
When clients come in, they are worried because there's so many available services. They don't know what to choose from, but they don't need to worry. They come in, we'll assess the client, to talk to the client to find out what's best for them at the time, and we'll match the right therapist, right services with the client.
TCM, what we call is traditional Chinese medicine, is composed of acupuncture, moxibustion, gua sha, which is scraping in English terms, and then we also have cupping as well.
There was once a client came in and the doctor say he needs a knee surgery, a knee replacement, and after a few treatments he feels much better, and when the time he went back to the doctor to check on the knees, the doctor say the operation is no need anymore.
So I really enjoyed coming to Osteo because they really helped me with my back and hip pain. I play a lot of basketball, so it requires a lot of jumping, and you know, Osteo has really helped me play pain-free.
For anyone that's wanting to try out Osteo Tuina, give it a shot. You will not regret it. They really focus on finding out your pain points and uncovering your needs, and they make sure at the end of the appointment that your needs are addressed and that you feel way better than when you walked in.
Being able to help clients that's already lost hope, be able to give them a new life, a new way of living, that really feels good, and that's the purpose of Osteo Tuina.